Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix disabled Facebook account. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix your disabled Facebook account or recover your Facebook account, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. As you can see, if you are also seeing this type of error, you have disabled your account, then I will show you how to fix this type of issue. In this, what you have to do, you have to just open your Chrome browser, then tap on this search, then type here disabled Facebook account. Then tap on search. Here you will find first option, my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. Just tap on this option. Scroll down. When you scroll down, below you will find one option, was this helpful? In this you will find two options, yes or no. You have to just tap on no, then tap on others. Here you have to type some of the matter like this message, hi Facebook team, my Facebook account has been disabled, please help me to recover my account as soon as possible. Then you have to provide the details of your Facebook account and your registered email ID. After typing this, just tap on submit. After submitting this feedback, you have to wait minimum 3 to 7 days. After that, you will get a reply on your registered email ID. This was the method 1, and the second method is you have to just open your Play Store, then tap on search, then search for Facebook. Then scroll down. Just first you have to select Facebook, then scroll down. Here you will find app support. Just tap on this drop down menu, then tap on email. Then select your Gmail account. Here you need to type same matter, enter your registered email ID and enter your Facebook account name. After that, just tap on this attach option, then attach the screenshot what you are getting Facebook account disabled. Just attach that image, then tap on send button. After that, you have to wait minimum 3 to 7 days. After that, your account will be fixed. That's it guys. So this way you can fix disabled your Facebook account in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.